Quality management systems, known as QMS, help companies and industries achieve efficient, safe practices. And since 1985, the oil and gas industry has been guided by the American Petroleum Institute's API Spec Q1 quality management standard. This crucial tool is used by thousands of companies to maintain global energy stability. Let's journey back in time to learn why API Spec Q1 was created and consider how its usage can benefit your company today. In 1918, World War I was raging across Europe, and American oil companies had to come together to ensure a stable fuel supply for the war effort. At a historic meeting, industry leaders agreed to create a membership-based trade organization, the American Petroleum Institute, to set standards and self-regulate for safe practices. In 1924, the organization started the Monogram Program, a self-certification system where companies displayed the monogram mark as a sign that their equipment met API best practices. Although not a true QMS, the Monogram Program was one of the world's first attempts to certify quality at an industrial scale. This strategy remained prevalent until the early 1980s, when the complexity and scope of energy production increased the need for independent verification. Influenced by Japanese Kaizen best practices, the API redesigned their system and in 1985 published API Spec Q1. When the International Organization for Standardization later released their ISO 9000 series, the API aligned their standard so that both could be used in conjunction. Under this system, companies are encouraged to utilize both standards, with API Spec Q1 providing additional checks and balances and ensuring that safety, efficiency, and quality are achieved. In the past, companies using the ISO and API standards have faced challenges with integration and balance. But with new software like QMS2Go, the process has never been easier. Our AI-powered program speeds gap analysis and implementation and can help you design an effective QMS, realizing the benefits of both standards. So, as expectations increase, rise to meet them with confidence. With QMS2Go, utilize the guidance of API Spec Q1 and equip your company to serve the world's energy needs.